Joining me in this video of how to. Today we're going to cover a Canon kick, okay, or multiple kick, or some people call it machine gun kick. It's basically traveling forward whilst on one leg, hopping and kicking at the same time. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of this kick before we get started. So let's break the Canon kick down. So first things first, the most important thing of this kick is the supporting foot that we're standing on, okay? That gives us our support, our control, our direction, and it also gains the speed of which we kick, okay? So we don't want to hop, we don't want to leave the floor, we want the ball of our foot on the floor at all times. So to break this kick down, we're just going to do a knee chamber first off and forget the kick, okay? So from here, watch, my foot's turned out on the angle, okay? You want it pretty much either a 45 angle away from you or full 90. So it's facing the opposite direction, all right? So from here, I'm gonna bring this front knee up. Again, don't worry about the kick for now. And we're gonna focus on this bottom foot. So watch what happens. Every time my heel lifts off the floor, I shuffle forward on the ball of the foot. Ready? From here, I'm gonna go shuffle, and across, okay? Now the ball of the foot is so important. I don't want people doing this. Okay, it completely slows down the routine of the kick, and it also doesn't look as effective or as fast because the kicks are more floaty. All right, so try and get that ball of the foot to remain on the floor whilst you're kicking forward. So from here, how to add the kick in. Both legs work simultaneously together, okay? Every time I shuffle on this back foot, this front one kicks. So watch, just look at the timing of how I do it. So from here, I'm coming out, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, okay? See how everything works together. The momentum and everything, the kick and the shuffle, everything's at the same time. And that's what you want for the perfect precision of these kicks, all right? So, just set yourself a drill, maybe to do 2 kicks, and then 4 kicks, 5 kicks, and you can work your way up with this, okay? But start real gradual and slow, maybe stay here for a while, and just really work that shuffle on that bottom foot, okay? So, here, we're just gonna start off playing around, and 2 kicks this time, 1, 2. Okay? And then we can build it up from there. 4 kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? See how everything works together. And again, we'll try 6 kicks this time. Good. And like I've said in my other drills, really stick that last kick. Make a point, not just to flick it, but really stick that kick and finish with a bit of finesse, okay? So, one last kick, here, kick out, and down.